In the heart of Kenya's bustling capital, where justice is sworn to be blind, a courtroom drama unfolded, not of law, but of illusion. A man with no legal license, no verified credentials, and no formal authority to practice law, walked confidently into the courts of Kenya, and won. Not once, but 27 times. This is the story of Brian Mwenda Ntwiga, the man many hailed as a genius, others condemned as a fraud, and who became the embodiment of a broken system. Kenya's legal system is guided by rigorous standards. To become a lawyer, one must graduate from a recognized law school, pass the bar exam, and be admitted to the role of advocates by the Law Society of Kenya. Yet, in courtrooms across Nairobi, a name began to draw attention: Brian Mwenda. Known for his charm, his eloquence, and above all, his courtroom victories. Clients praised him, judges respected him, even seasoned lawyers wondered, who was this new rising star? But beneath the growing fame lay a dangerous secret. Brian was not a lawyer, at least not a real one. Whispers soon turned into questions. The Law Society of Kenya received complaints, strange inconsistencies in his records, forged documents, and missing credentials. An investigation was launched. The findings shocked the nation. Brian Mwenda Ntwiga had never been licensed to practice law. His identity was built on fabrications, carefully constructed, brilliantly executed, and it had worked until now. Arrested and charged with fraud, the man who had built his reputation in Kenya's courtrooms now stood as the accused in the High Court. But in an astonishing twist, Brian did what few believed possible. He defended himself, and he won. This, his 27th victory, was perhaps the most symbolic. A fake lawyer outwitting a justice system designed to prevent people like him from ever succeeding. Was this brilliance, or a damning indictment of the institutions meant to uphold the law? The nation was divided. Supporters rallied behind Brian, calling him a hero, a man who had exposed the system's flaws. Others saw him as a dangerous fraud, whose actions could have cost innocent clients their freedom. Legal experts from the University of Nairobi and beyond weighed in. Former officials of the Law Society condemned the oversight. Calls for reform echoed across the judiciary. Brian Mwenda's story raises uncomfortable questions. How could one man fake his way through the very system designed to safeguard justice? How many others might be doing the same? And what does this mean for public trust in our courts? Was he a criminal, a visionary, or merely the symptom of a deeply flawed legal framework? In the end, Brian Mwenda Ntwiga did more than win cases. He exposed the fragility of truth in the halls of justice.